In this video, we're going to cover how to connect your Amazon AWS services in order to start adding your graphics and images and uploading your audios and documents and videos and connecting everything to your Amazon account for your RapidMember Pro website. To begin, you'll go to aws.amazon.com to log in to your account. If you don't have an Amazon AWS account, you'll need to go ahead and create one in order to be able to use RapidMember Pro. Because RapidMember Pro uses Amazon, your own personal account, to store all of your own personal information. This was something that members requested from our previous software, that we don't control your information, that you control your information. So we've connected Amazon in order to be able to do that for you. Once you get to aws.amazon.com, you'll click the Sign In to Console link at the top right. And that will take us to the login page for your Amazon AWS account. You'll enter your email and then enter your password. If you're a new user, this is where you'll also create your account. We'll go ahead and get logged in here. Once logged in, you're going to look for security and identity, and you're going to head over to the Identity and Access Management. In this menu, on the left-hand side, we need to select the menu called Users. And we need to create a new user by clicking on the Create New Users button at the top. Here you'll enter a username. When you create a user, you can name it whatever you like, but it cannot include spaces. Because we're creating this for steveodette.com as our test site, I'm going to go ahead and name this Steve Odette. You'll notice that by default, the generate an access key for each user is checked here. You'll want to leave this checked. Okay, make sure that this is checked, and go ahead down to the lower right hand side and click the Create button. On this page, you'll get confirmation that you've created your user, and you'll also get a link that says Show User Security Credentials. You'll click this link, and here you'll get your access key and your secret access key. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy these and you're going to paste them to a notepad or something on your computer, okay? All right. But we're not going to use these quite yet, because now we need to create user permissions, okay? So hold on to those. We're not going to paste those into your RapidMember Pro admin area quite yet. Hold on, let's go to the next step. Also, before we close this window, to let you could also, instead of copying and pasting these into a notepad or another file, you can simply download the credentials. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, now that we've saved these to our computer, the next step that we want to do is we want to close this window so that we can create user permissions for the new user that we just created. So we're going to close this window, and notice here that we have a number of different users that we have created here, and we're going to find the user we just created, and here's the user we just created, and I'm going to left click on this user. Notice here that we have no groups, and we have no permissions, no security credentials, and no access advisor information in here, okay? So we're going to create some security permissions here. So hang on just a second and we'll go through how to do that. What we need to do on this window is we need to go to the Permissions tab, and we need to attach a policy. So go ahead and click Attach Policy. And here, notice that there are an awful lot of policies that we could attach to this user. I'm going to show you a shortcut to find the policy that we're looking for. Go ahead to the search box up here at the top of the page and enter the term Power User. Okay, actually one word, I'm sorry. And notice that we have a number of different power users that come up here. The policy that we need to attach is the Power User Access. So go ahead and click Power User Access and select at the lower right hand side, select Attach Policy. here, you'll notice that that policy is now attached, Power User Access, to this account. And now we can go ahead and get our access keys that we copied earlier, and we can paste those into our RapidMember Pro admin area under the Amazon API settings. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. And we're going to initialize bucket. You'll get a note that says your assets bucket will be enabled in 15 minutes. Please wait. But notice that our assets bucket is created here, and our CloudFront assets URL is created here. And that's pretty much it. Now all we have to do is wait 15-20 minutes and refresh this page, and we should be good to go. Our Amazon is now set up, so we can now upload our website logo and other information for our website so that we can start getting our business set up in RapidMember Pro. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.